children, in the second main, question is find the product and 4 questions are there. I am solving all the 4 for you. It is very easy and same steps we should follow. Again it is multiplying binomial by a binomial is equal to first term 5 into whole bracket 3 plus x. In between 5 and 2x minus sign is there. So second term 2x into again the first bracket 3 plus x. Now multiply 5 inside. 5 3s are 15x. Sorry, only 15. 5 into 3, 15 plus 5 into x is simply 5x. Minus into plus minus. 2x into 3 is 6x. Minus into plus minus. 2x into x is 2x square. So it is plus 15. Only one constant. So I am writing it as it is. Plus 5x minus 6x. See, this you can simplify. It is plus 5x minus 6x. 1 with plus, 1 with 6 minus 5, 1. X, 6 is greater than 5, 6 is having minus sign. So it is minus 1x or just x you can write minus 2x square as it is. But first final step, we have to keep the answer in decreasing order of powers. So this will be equal to, minus 2x square minus x plus 15. I have written it too small, children. I will repeat, this is minus 2x square minus x plus 15. Power 2, power 1 and power 0. Constant in the last. This is how you solve. Similarly, next question, binomial into binomial. First term of the first binomial, x into second bracket 7x minus y plus is there 7y second term into 7x minus y. Now multiply x inside and 7y inside. X into 7x, 7x square plus into minus minus x into y simply xy plus into plus plus 7y into 7x. 7 7s are 49. X into y xy plus into minus minus 7 into 1 7 y into y y square. Now we shall check whether do we have terms with common term x xy. Yes, it is there. Before that, this 7x square only once it is repeated, I will write as it is. Now it is plus 40, here only I will show, plus 49xy minus xy. Only xy is there means it is 1. One number with plus sign, one number with minus sign means subtract. 49 and minus 1 is 48. This xy as it is, greater number sign means plus. So it is plus 48xy minus 7y square as it is. Next step, what you will do, children? 7x square minus 7y square plus 48xy. You will keep the final answer in decreasing order of powers. That's it. Hope you have understood. Next we shall go to the third question. Question is again binomial into binomial. A square plus b into a plus b square. Again start with is equal to first term a square into a plus b square plus as it is this term b into again this whole bracket a plus b square. Multiply a square inside and b inside. A square into a plus a square into a is a cube. Plus is there. So plus a square into b square is a square b square plus into plus b. A into b or b into a is ab plus into plus plus b into b square b cube. Look now, here none of the terms are repeated to add or subtract, children. A cube only once is there. A square b square only once is there. AB also only once is there. B cube also only once is there. In this case, you can keep the answer as it is, or one more step you can write like a cube plus b cube plus a square b square plus ab and end. So this is how you do, children. A square plus b into a plus b square is a cube plus b cube plus a square b square plus ab. Now last problem. Again we have two binomials is equal to p square first term into 2p plus q. Minus sign is there. So minus, what is that? Q square. This chalk is giving trouble. Q square, children. So minus is there. So minus q square into again next second binomial 2p plus q. P square inside, q square inside, we will multiply. p square into 2p. It is 2pq. P square into p, pq. Plus into plus. P square into q is simply p square q. Minus into plus minus. Q square into 2p, 2p q square. Minus into plus minus. Q square into q is q cube. So here also children, 2p cube only once is there. So I will write it as it is. 2pq. P square q, p q square means again you cannot add. P square q, if it was there you can add or subtract. PQ square was there means again you can add or subtract. Here nothing is there means you should write it as it is. Before that, now only I will rearrange since I am not adding or subtracting. To the power 2 I will take here 2pq minus q cube plus p square q means minus 2pq. So p square minus q square into 2pq is 2p cube minus q cube plus p square q minus 2pq. Nice tongue twister now children. This is how you solve. So this is about the second main children. Four problems were there and all the 4 I have solved. Next we have the last main of this exercise, that is third main. I think we have 6 or 7 problems. I will solve few and you can solve few. Only easy questions I will be leaving it to you. Now we shall look at the third main of this exercise, that is last main of it, is simplified children. First question is x square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. Don't worry about this plus 25, that is a constant term for now. Just concentrate on x square minus 5 into x plus 5. Start with is equal to sign. Now binomial into binomial again. So first term x square of the first binomial into whole second bracket x plus 5. Minus sign is there in between. So minus 5 into x plus 5. This constant plus 25 as it is equal to x square you multiply inside, 5 you multiply inside this. X square into x is x cube, plus into plus. X square into 5 is simply 5x square. Minus into plus minus, 5 into x 5x, minus into plus minus, 5 5s are 25 plus 25 as it is. Which this plus 25? This 25. Now do I have it the same term? No, x cube only once it is there, so I will write x cube as it is, plus 5x square. Nowhere I have x square term, so plus 5x square as it is. Do I have two terms with x? No, only one is there, so minus 5x as it is. But here see, minus 25 plus 25, it gets cancelled. So answer is x cube minus 5x plus 5x square minus 5x. This is how you solve. Next second question also children, same type you have, one more constant is there, do it in same method, you keep it retaining as it is, in the last step you will simplify it. So third question also, it is simple multiplication of two binomials, that also you can do. Fourth one is I will solve. Here you need to multiply two binomials twice. I need whole board, so I will be cleaning this first problem. It is easy, hope you have understood with this. Here a plus b into c minus d is one binomial. A minus b into c plus d, what you do is one more set of binomial. Here in the third term you have monomial into binomial multiplication. So how to do, we shall check it now. For now I will erase the first problem. I need almost whole board. Problem is big but simplification is very simple children. So as usual we shall start with is equal to sign. We will consider the first binomial for now, that is a plus b into c minus d. So what I do is first term of this binomial into whole bracket. So it is a into c minus d. Plus sign is there in between. So plus b into again c minus d. So this is for this first binomial. Next we shall do for the second binomial given there. Again plus sign in between. So plus sign, if minus was there you should write minus. A, first term a into next bracket c plus d, minus sign is there in between. So minus b into c plus d. This is about the second binomial children. Next we need to multiply this monomial and binomial, and together we shall write plus into plus plus, 2 into ac is 2ac, plus into minus minus, 2 into bd is 2bd. Okay. Now multiply monomial into binomial, monomial. Okay. We will write this last term 2 into AC minus BD as it is, children. Why I did that is, see, whole everything you have monomial into binomial, monomial, binomial, monomial into binomial, monomial into binomial, monomial into binomial. So together we can do, no? So I wrote as it is. Now multiply A into C, AC, plus into minus minus, A into D, AD, plus B into C, BC, plus into minus minus, B into D, BD, plus into plus plus, A into C, AC, plus into plus plus, A into D, AD, minus into plus minus, B into C, BC, minus into plus minus, B into D, BD, 2 plus into plus plus, 2 into AC, 2 AC, plus into minus minus, 2 into BD, 2 BD. We got. See, multiplication all of you will do. Where you go wrong here is, children, by multiplying this sign. So many plus and minus signs we have. Individually when you are multiplying the terms, please go be careful with the sign. Now, I will check now whether I have repeated number of terms. AC is my first term. Do I have one more AC? Yes, here I have. See, let me mark it for you. One AC and second AC. Do I have one more AC? Yes, I have here 2 AC. Correct? Yes, and that's all. I have 3 terms here, children, with AC, AC and AC. This AC is also with plus sign. This AC is also with plus sign. So it is like 1 AC plus 1 AC, 2 AC. Plus 2 AC is already there. So plus 2 AC plus 2 AC is plus 4 AC. Hope you have understood. Next I will check with AD. I have one term AD. Different markings I will do so that when you go through the video it will be easy for you. Minus AD I have. One more term? Yes. One more AD I have. Do I have one more? No. That's it. But if you look at here, children, this is minus AD plus AD. Minus AD plus, or else I will do one thing. I will write one more step so that you will not get confused. With AC we will start. AC, one more AC plus AC plus 2 AC. I am grouping. Now I have started with AD. Minus AD and this one plus AD I got. Next I will check for BC. Do I have BC? Yes. 2 terms are there with BC. I will underline BC. One more is there? No. So plus BC and minus BC I got. Next I have BD. 2 lines I will underline. For BC I have underlined it once. For BD I am underlining twice. One more BD I have? Yes. Minus BD I have. One more I have minus 2 BD. So let me write them together. Minus BD. Again one more minus BD and one more minus 2 BD. Now I have written them. Don't want bracket, it will confuse you. Like this it is. AC plus AC. See, nothing is there. Constant means it is understood 1. You know this. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. AC remains same. 4 AC. This, children, you can, if at all it is confusing, you can write one below the other and add. I am not adding their powers. This is not multiplication, addition. So keep the variables as it is. Minus AD plus AD. See, I can cancel it off. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. Similarly, plus BC minus BC also gets cancelled. Now I am left with only BD terms. Minus BD, minus BD, minus 2 BD. It is like minus BD, minus BD, minus 2 BD. Minus 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 means add. 2 plus 1 is 4. BD as it is since addition with minus sign. Minus 4 BD we got. So answer is, children, this AC also I did the same way. You can do if you want. Plus 4 AC minus 4 BD is the answer. So A plus B into C minus D plus A minus B into C plus D plus 2 into AC minus BD. Question was so big, but look at the answer. It is just 4 AC minus 4 BD. One more step if you want to do. You can take out 4 as the common factor and keep it as AC minus BD. This step or this step. This is how you solve, children. This is about the 4th question in the third main. Hope you have understood. Repeatedly watch the video if at all you miss any step or you confuse. This markings I have done for common terms differently. Circle, tick, single underline, double underline. So please be careful. Next we shall go to the next problem.